So we are going on the Byron Glacier Trail, hiking trail. It's supposed to be easy. And how long is it?
There we go.
We don't remember. We don't have internet service.
Yeah, it's an easy one.
We'll
it's like maybe a mile.
We'll count our steps.
Yeah.
Adios. I'm going to make a new intro for the Journey to Alaska YouTube series featuring the 4 nomads. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
We want you to continue following our journey. We'll see you later.
Bye.
All right.
Michael and Dana and us, we're on the trail. Michael's going to touch the water, see how cold it is. Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Dana, how about you? Here comes Dana.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty cold.
Alaska water.
And here's old man Pop. It's cold.
Yay! Cold. Mountains here. It's pretty. Look at the top of that mountain. And then on this side, look at the difference. You got the vegetation. And this trail is amazing. It's got gravel on it all the way. Here is very nice. The sun on the clouds out in the distance, but look how it changes. The greenery. Look at the sun on that. The waterfall here, some snow, creek. Waterfalls, landslides. Look at the waterfalls up there, coming off the mountain and the blue glacier. Is that the Byron Glacier?
No, we're on the Byron Glacier Trail, so I'm going to go with Michael. It's the Byron Glacier. Are those trees growing out of it up there?
No, I think it's cracks.
Cracks, okay.
The woods on the trail, and this is what we found. Look at that. Wow. I was not expecting that. Impressive here. Team coming, the rest of the team. They're good. I mean, look how this is cracked off here. I'll walk in there a little bit closer. Oh, look. See that in there? Crevasse. Oh. Really strong. How about that?
That's pretty awesome.
Way to get the women to come Here come the girls. So we just don't want that to fall on us. You hear it right? We're going to be hightailing it out of here.
Yeah, we'll have wet feet.
That's okay. Maybe you'll save our life. Come on in, come on in. Are you worried? Okay, come on in. Come on.
Teacher and mother and me.
Come on, get in here.
Well, look at it this way. We all get to go to see Jesus face to face at the same time.
And frozen.
hell water truck.
Oh my gosh.
Get in there behind me,
All right.
Daddy. Can you get in behind me?
Oh, we can. Okay. We have arrived. We're under Byron Glacier, we think.
We made it. We made it.
Welcome to Alaska.
Who's crazy enough to do this?
Oh, oh my goodness. All right.
Coming out.
Be safe now.
Thank goodness.
We made it. We went under
We
the.
survived.
We went under the
We
glacier.
did.
Even though it was cracking.
Yeah.
No, and melting. Yeah.
Yeah, dripping down our necks.
It's very dangerous. I didn't get too wet.
And
But-
yet we're still here.
We would recommend that.
Yeah, I would do it again.
Yes.
I don't know if I would.
Oh, now. What kind of fun is that?
Michael and Dana are glacier walking. It just wasn't enough to be under the glacier. They had to be on top of the glacier, conquering. Oh, and Dad decided to join them. He's supposed to be filming. Uh-huh. Instead, he could not let them have their glory. See if I can get around and find Michael and Dana. He must be interviewing them. And the real glacier, way back there in the background. See the blue. It could be a sled coming down. You need the crouton things. Really? Michael, quit! Okay, Mr. Graceful, come.
I did it kind of on purpose.
Don't ruin Dana's.
So that's what happens when you slide down the ice. You get a little wet.
Yeah,
But we had fun, didn't we, Mikey?
we did. I only had one pair of pants left, so I didn't want to get these too dirty.
The girls over there scheming up something.
No, I don't want to. It's dangerous.
Brave man. We're up high on this little mound of gravel and stone. And wow, it's beautiful up here. Here's my little woman. We had a good
made
day.
it.
We had a good day, didn't we?
We did. It was a good hike. This is nice.
Yeah.
Nice and easy, actually. And it's beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's what it looks like in that direction. Sorry for the wind. We wrap up this video enjoying the beauty of the glacier there. And we had a great time, great hike, easy to do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.